Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome, it's Marco. On today's video I'm going to show you how to say the numbers in Italian, so let's get straight to the point. 1, uno, uno, 2, due, due, 3, tre, tre, 4, quattro, quattro, 5, cinque, cinque, 6, sei, sei, 7, sette, sette, 8, otto, otto, 9, nove, nove, 10, dieci, dieci, 11, undici, undici, 12, dodici, dodici, 13, tredici, tredici, 14, quattordici, quattordici, 15, quindici, quindici, 16, sedici, sedici, 17, diciassette, diciassette, 18, diciotto, diciotto, 19, diciannove, diciannove. So for the numbers between 20 and 99 is actually really simple. What we do is we take the root word and we add it to the numbers between 1 and 9. So for example, 20, it's venti, venti. 24, it's gonna be ventiquattro, ventiquattro. 30, trenta, trenta. 37, it's gonna be trentasette, 37. 40, quaranta, quaranta. 50, cinquanta, cinquanta. 60, sessanta, sessanta. 70, settanta, settanta. 80, ottanta, ottanta. 90, novanta, novanta. So, let's try one more time together. 20, trenta, quaranta, cinquanta, sessanta, settanta, ottanta, novanta. Now, the only rule that you've got to remember is that with the numbers ending in 1 and the numbers ending in 8, we actually remove the last letter of the root so they sound nicer. For example, 21, we don't say 21, it's gonna be 21. 28, it's not gonna be 28, but 28. Another example, 71, it's gonna be 71, or 98, it's gonna be 98. Can you see that we're cutting out the last letter of the root? So remember just this rule for the numbers between 20 and 99. So now let's move up to the hundreds. The root word for 100 is cento. Cento. If you have more than 100, which is cento, you're gonna pick any number between 2 and 9, you're gonna put in front of the word cento. For example, 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, and so on. So, for example, could you tell me how would we say 345? It's 345. 345. So, now we've got the thousands. 1000 is 1000. 1000. So how would you say 1300? It's gonna be 1300. 1300. For all the numbers from 2000 upwards, the word mille becomes mila. For example, 2000, 2000, 40,000, 40.000, 100,000, 100.000. So, how would you say 360,000? That's 360.000. Now for the millions. 1 million is 1 milione. 1 milione. So for example, 1.500.000, it's 1.500.000. Anything bigger than 2 million, the word milione becomes milioni. So for example, 2 million, it's 2 milioni. Or 2.500.000, it's 2.500.000. Another example, 340 million, that's 340 milioni. Last but not least, we've got the billions. 1 billion, that's 1 miliardo. 1 miliardo. So for example, if we've got 1 billion and 200 million, we say 1 miliardo e 200 milioni. For numbers bigger from 2 billion upwards, the word miliardo becomes miliardi. For example, 3 billion, that's 3 miliardi. 25 billion, that's 25 miliardi. 40 billion 500 million, that's 40 miliardi e 500 milioni. And so that's it for the numbers. Thank you very much if you've managed to get till the end. I love you all and I'll see you soon. Bye now. Ciao.